Hello everyone, welcome to GrooveFunnels tutorial series. Today I'm going to teach you how to set bonuses under GrooveFunnels to give away your subscribers or viewers or visitors who signs up using your affiliate link. You can call it lead magnet or anything you want. Different marketers call it different things. Okay. So first of all, you need to select or choose your product you want to give away for free in exchange of your viewers or visitors email address or sign up. So for this purpose, I recommend you to create your own digital product such as ebook, video or any valuable thing which may provide a great value to your visitors or viewers. So it's the best thing, but if you are unable to do so due to any reason, you can still use PLR products as your free giveaway or as your free bonus. For this, visit any popular PLR website. For example, you can visit plrassassin.com and just create a free account, or any another popular website which is idplr.com, and you can Google it and find lots of popular websites over there. Okay, so just create a free account with any popular PLR website and choose the product very carefully which provide a great value to your visitors or viewers. It's very important, because a product with less value or no value will not going to work for you. So just choose it very carefully and download it. After downloading, you have to copy or generate the link of that product to set as bonus. If you have already a website hosted somewhere else, or the landing page you have created somewhere else, or you have simply hosting with another website or another company. For example, I have hosting with the Bluehost, and I'm using WordPress to host my bonus or lead magnet. So first of all, I will show you that how to use WordPress to host your giveaway. It's not necessary to host on WordPress or GrooveFunnels. You can host it on your Google Drive also. Just upload it on your Google Drive, generate a link, and just use this link inside your GrooveFunnels dashboard to create bonuses. So I'm just, for example, showing you that these are 3 books I have created as bonuses in the case of this account. You can see here is the image and here is the book. So if you want to use WordPress as your host of your free PLR products or bonuses, just log into your WordPress dashboard, go to media, click add new, upload the file from your computer which you have already downloaded, I hope. For example, here is the affiliate gold book. I will just upload it here. Okay, the uploading in progress. You can see here uploading is on its way. You can see the upload is complete, that is 100%, and you can find that file inside your media library. Click on library to go to that file. Okay, you can see here is the file. We just uploaded affiliate gold PDF. You can see here, this is the file. Click on that particular file, just leave it as it is and open your GrooveFunnels account dashboard in another tab. Okay, this is the GrooveFunnels home page. I'm just logging into my GrooveFunnels account. Click login. Click on all apps icon. Go to GrooveSell. Okay, here is the GrooveSell's dashboard. Click on view. go to promos, click bonuses. You can see here I have 4 bonuses set already for my visitors or anyone who visits using my link. So how this bonus delivers to any visitor? For example, you just click on my affiliate link and create an account with GrooveFunnels. GrooveFunnels will send you a sequence of emails with these links. Let me show you these links. This is the title of the book and this is the link. This is the link of the book I will give you for free. Whenever a user clicks that link, file automatically downloaded to his or her computer or mobile. Okay, so in this case we are setting a new bonus. Just click new bonus, give it a name, the title for which you can give it anything, but the actual name of your book will be appropriate here. In this case I am entering affiliate gold because the name of this book is the same. Okay, go back to WordPress and just copy this link, file URL, and provide here in the link section. Click create. This is the only thing you need to do. You can see here this is set in your bonus section. Whenever a person click on your link and create an account with GrooveFunnels, GrooveFunnel will send them or him with a sequence of email confirming that a person named XYZ sent you bonuses containing this link. Okay, you can see a screenshot of the email I have attached here for your convenience. So here is another thing to do. If you haven't created your landing page for GrooveFunnels, you should create one using GroovePages. Let me show you an example of landing page I've just created using GrooveFunnels. This is the link of that landing page hosted on my own domain. You can see here digifast.org. It's my own website, and I have just used, you can see here, this is a very beautifully designed landing page. All I needed half an hour to create this page from scratch because it was already ready-made. I've just changed the text, images. Okay, I'm going to show you that how I have set these bonuses. Okay, you can see here bonus number 1. Whenever anyone clicks on this link, grab it for free. This is the affiliate link. You can see below. Whenever I'm hovering, the link is appearing on bottom left corner of the page. So whenever anyone clicks on this link and signs up, GrooveFunnels automatically send them email or a sequence of emails containing the link of that book, and the person will download that book and read. If you also want to create a page or a landing page like that and you don't know how to do this, I have already created a video that how to create a beautiful landing page using GroovePages. If you don't have a GrooveFunnels account, just grab this 100% free account of GroovePages and enjoy.